In today's episode of Low Budget Off-Grid Homestead, a friend of ours bought a whole bunch of cabinetry and countertops at auction and resold them to many people, including us. So we wound up with these beautiful granite countertops for pennies on the dollar. And now we are taking them off the trailer temporarily. We're going to set them right there so we can move this A-frame, which originally moved our windows, up to our staging area there so we can move them back onto the A-frame.
This is my mom, Erica. Say hi, Mama.
Hi. Tell them what we're doing.
I already did. Oh, right. We're lifting up those countertops with something called a clamper. It's that thing right there, and it's clamping on to the countertop. Say hi, Dad. Ooh, here's a close-up look at the clamper.
And yes, I'm wearing Wonder Woman jammies.
The goat you see right there is Naj, and that's Nibbles. And I'm Clara, by the way. Hee yeah! By the way, I caught that one in the rodeo. Those two are sisters. Yes, I'm coughing because I'm sick. I was sick a couple days ago. I'm sick coughing stuff up.
Take those drops off against the wall.
Okay. Yay.
We're just going to pick it up and go, yeah?
I think what I want to do, set it where the bucket is,
Okay.
and set it this way with the roofing,
Okay.
so I can come over the top and I can set down the first two pieces, and then I can come straight in. Because if I try to come in the other way and we swing the countertops, we're going to hit the machine, or I'm going to run over because I don't have the room there to unload. Like, see how much room we have to have for this?
Yeah.
We have set the A-frame in this, I want to say direction, but you got it.
Orientation. Yes, very good.
Orientation. Because we can come in straight, we can miss our leftover roofing that we don't want to crumble, and we'll just bring the each slab, the first two will just come up over, sit down, lean against, Second two will just come straight in, sit there, lean it, put a strap on each side. That way nothing knocks them over. We don't break them. We don't want to replace them.
Yeah.
And then we'll get people to know what they're doing in here to set the countertops.
Yes.
So we don't screw that up.
Yes. The nice thing about getting such a great deal on this, thank you so much to our friends, is that we can then afford
spend the money.
The professional install. Yep.
Yep. So.
All right. I wonder if we should move the gutters and whatnot just a bit closer to the rest of it, just to give you a couple more inches of room. Let's do it.
When we set it against it, don't worry about the towels or anything.
You sure?
Yeah, I just did that for shipping purposes.
Oh, okay.
So it wouldn't rub together going down the highway and scratch the heck out of it.
All right.
You might have to walk along with it.
Okay.
So it doesn't swing violently on you.
Yeah, I gotcha. right, we have goats amongst other mischief makers.
Yeah.
Plus our 5-year-old. I'd really rather avoid her being squashed by granite countertops. So we're gonna secure these to the A-frame with the ratchet straps. So we didn't have like 800 patterns of granite to choose from, which is fine. But kind of something nice that happened with this one being available is that part of the hearth is comprised of this type of granite. And so we have a little continuity and matching across the house, which I always get a kick out of.
This one is too short to go around the 2x4, so we have a little extension.
Ah. Very high tech.
Cut one long one to make 2 short ones, and the other one wound up being too short, but this one worked. And then just a little something here to protect it from getting scratched.
And it doesn't have to be crazy tight, just snug,
Nope,
right?
just enough. Just enough the animals aren't gonna knock it off.